Welcome to yet another informative video from Learn Funnel Systems. In this video, we are going to discuss about thank you pages. Before we begin, I just want to show you how the whole funnels work. So if I start beginning, this is the funnel, and the only important thing that you need to see regarding the thank you page is this is an opt-in form. So if somebody types in their name and email, we need to take them to a thank you page. And I also have another thank you page when somebody buys a PLR package. This is for people who already bought using my affiliate link, and this is where they can purchase this directly, so they will get instant access. So these are the two scenarios in this particular sales funnel. So in the first option, if somebody fill this form, for example, if I can give like an email, and if they click here, they will see this thank you page, right? So this is because I have created a custom thank you page where I have the specific instruction and that I'll be verifying your purchase, and access will be sent, and I am also asking them to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I have given this option. And also there is a small upsell for a product that might be useful for them as well. So this is the first thank you page, and that thank you page is like this one. So once go to the squeeze page where once they put in their email address, they will be taken here. Why? Because so if I go to the first step and click on edit, that is because in this button, if somebody submit this form, I have given the instruction to go to a custom URL, and the custom URL is this thank you page. I hope you understood. That's how you set up a squeeze page thank you page. And the another thank you page that I have is like here. So if I just click here, so if I get again come here and click here, and it will take them to another order form page. This gets confusing, and it goes to the order form page. And here in this button, I'll show you. In order to test this out, I have created a coupon code to make the payments 0. So if I apply here, as you can see, the payment just went to 0. So let's just fill with some information, and I am just clicking on the purchase button, and this is how you test, right? This is the another thank you page. So you will get, so I have two thank you pages because two thank you pages serves different purpose. This thank you page gives them instant access. The other one, they'll have to wait for them to get access because I have to verify it. That's why I have two thank you pages, right? I just want to show you, these are the two thank you pages in the same funnels. So I hope you understood why I have two thank you pages, right? So in the order form, we cannot actually add a custom URL. So if I go and edit this page, and if I go here, see, I don't have the option to give a specific URL to add, right? Once this is clicked and the purchase is complete, you need to go to this specific URL. That is not possible with the payment button. So what happens is that once the payment is successful, if I again take you back, so once the payment is successful, it will go to the next step, whatever it is, right? So it will go to this step, like we already saw in the previous step. We saw this thank you page, right? If you don't know how to add this thank you page, now I'll show you how to add this if you are not seeing a thank you page, all you need is to add the step, give it a name, thank you. Let's call it as a dummy page because I'm just demoing it. And if it's for the order form, I would definitely click this one. If it's for an opt-in, I would definitely select this opt-in thank you page. Since it's like an order form page, for this we can select this thank you page. So we can just save it. Why it is useful? Because you have this icon, right? When you have steps, uh, identifying with this icon always helps. So if you select the opt-in thank you page, the icon changes, right? So that's also a useful tip to remember. So if suppose if I just put it here, right? So I need to select one thank you page from this template as well. So this looks different, so I'll select this and let it be a random number since it's just a dummy. Now let's again go to this order form and fill it again. So I just want to show you that just changing this dummy to here, what happens is that once the order form is filled, it will be automatically moved to this step. I just want to show you that that's how it works. So let's go again to the order form and fill in, right? PLR. So the amount is 0, and if I click here, see the thank you page just changed. So that's how you add a thank you page. And if you want, you can click here and edit, and you can customize it the way that you want. If you have any custom offers, you can present it here. If you have a YouTube channel, you can mention that, or if you want somebody to follow on your social profile, you can add that. So you if you have a small product that you want to upsell, you can do that. So the options are endless. It depends on your creativity and the goal that you are after. So I just want to make sure that you understand how the thank you page works and how you can effectively use this, and to give you some small tips that I had confusions when I initially started with System.io. I hope this was helpful. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to put that in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to create another video if that can help you out. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.